Hello everyone. I just love it when you people come to see my videos. Yes, we are going to do today onion paratha, pyaz paratha, and we are going to have it with onion achar and hung curd. Welcome to the Purple Box. Quickly subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. At the Purple Box, we create very simple dishes which can be easily made at home. Don't forget to share, like and comment in the video. Let's quickly rush to the kitchen. For pyaz paratha, of course, we need onion sliced, all-purpose flour, maida, moida, whatever you call it, some oil for frying, basic garam masala powder, some curd which we will put on a sieve so that the extra water comes out. Some fresh coriander leaves. We'll just take the upper part of the leaves. Few dried green chilies. You can also take the fresh one. I prefer the dried ones. I love them. Take the all-purpose flour. Sprinkle some salt on it and then add some white oil from the top. Then with water, mix it well. First with a spoon and then you knead it with your hand as well. That gives a very smooth dough. See, the dough should be of this consistency. Cover and keep it aside for half an hour. Now on a pan, take some white oil, let it heat and then put the onion slices on it. Then just mix everything well for some time. Sprinkle some salt because we need the onions to go very soft. So mix the salt well. Add the salt at the beginning. This is an important step. Now cover it, put it on a very low flame and allow it to cook. After around 5 minutes, open the lid and reposition the onions. Continue this process for some time. Cover, again reposition, again allow it to fry for some time. After around 12-15 minutes, you'll find that it's gone brown and it's done. Take the onion, the fried onion on a bowl and on the hot fried onion, sprinkle garam masala powder and some chopped coriander leaves. I want to add quite a good quantity of coriander leaves, so I added more. Now mix them all well together. Keep mixing so that it becomes a uniform paste kind of a thing. Then add the green chilies, a bit of salt, mix well and keep it aside. Now it's more than half an hour past. Take the dough and knead it with your hand again. See, it will become a very soft dough. Now roll it and pull out small balls like this for making the parathas. Just check out the size of the balls. So you just take them out and then with both of your palm, just make small smooth balls. After the balls are made, sprinkle some all-purpose flour or maida and one at a time, just with the rolling pin, make flat round circles like this. There is a trick. Either the left hand or the right hand, press it a bit more and then roll it. In that case, the paratha will keep moving in a circular motion and you don't have to change the position of the paratha every time. One of the parathas is done. Now again the other one. In this way, you just make all the parathas and take them and keep them on a plate. Now bring back one of the parathas on the board and take the onion paste. Now this onion mix has become normal temperature. Okay, so it has got some extra oil also dripping out of it. So just spread them like this. Take another paratha and cover it on the top equally, just like this. Sprinkle some maida and then again add another layer of, spread another layer of the onion paste on the paratha at this level. Again cover with another circular paratha. In this way, keep doing it. Again spread the onion mix and again cover it with another circular paratha. In this way, we are going to take 5 layers of parathas. So 5 layers of parathas and 4 layers of onion spread. We will not put the paste here in the last 2 layers. Now from the other side, keep rolling this parathas together with soft hand, as the whole thing is very soft. Now take some water and spread it on the other end, rub it and spread it a bit, then lock it with the water like this. See, just with light hand pat, see, it's locked. Take a knife and very gently cut it into 2 equal halves from the center, and then on both the sides cut the other part into 2 pieces. See how beautiful it looks, the layers going round and round. Now gradually push it from one side. See how I pushed, and with a very soft finger make it look like a circle. Again take, see, it's lovely, the layers. Press gradually and try to make it look like a circle. Just like this with your soft hand touch with your fingers. Now take them on a plate and keep them aside. See, it should look like a circle. Again take the third piece which has got the layers and press it gently. Make it look like a circle. Push in the extra onion layer that's coming out, and then again the fourth one, the same thing. Make it look like a circle. Press it and take all of them on a plate. Be careful that they don't touch each other. They might get stuck and it will be a problem. Now take one of those pieces and with the rolling pin very gradually, see how I am doing, just roll it to a flat paratha. The extra onion that came out, pull it out and keep it aside. Then again roll it with a pin very gently. You must maintain that. Now take a plate and sprinkle some maida. Then with a spatula, very gradually, gently take the paratha out. See, it's so soft. Now gradually put it on a plate and sprinkle some maida from the top. Now heat a pan, flat pan, and very gently place the paratha on it and let one side harden. Then after that, just flip the paratha and press with the spatula like this. Then again flip. In this way, continue flipping 3 to 4 times. The onion mix has enough oil, so you might not need extra oil, but you can also add oil for frying. I like my parathas to be dry. See the band at the center of the paratha? I just love this look. This is because of the way we rolled it flat at the end. To me, presentation of a food is very important. We're going to have it with a onion achar. Very soon I'll come up with onion achar video, and we are going to have the curd. See how beautiful the paratha looks with dark onions on both the sides and a band in the center. Now let me just go and have it with the onion achar and the curd. You also make the onion parathas at home for your family. Till then, take care. Bye.